Guys, what's up? This is Asilton Pereira and welcome back to another video. Those who aren't aware yet or haven't participated yet, we have a giveaway which is live on our channel. Do check the links in description to participate and win this amazing Bluetooth speaker.
Hey guys, what's up? This is Asilton Pereira and welcome back to another interesting video. So today's video is all about this beast, the new Mahindra Thar. So yeah, let's get right into it. So those of you aren't aware, this is the new generation Mahindra Thar and it is a pure off-road machine. But a new generation mein Mahindra has done a lot of things to it, which has also made it a family-friendly vehicle. So it's really a massive looking car and I don't know, इसको कार तो नहीं बोल सकते. People love to call it a jeep in your Indian language, but yeah, it's an SUV. It's an off-road SUV and it does resemble a lot of parts, or let's say it resembles a lot of design elements from the Jeep Wrangler, and that really makes it interesting, as well as it attracts a lot of eyes on the road for that sole purpose. Because and obviously this being an off-road vehicle, of course it's a 4x4 as well. So ये जो variant है अभी, first of all this is the top model. So this is the Alex diesel hardtop automatic transmission variant, and yeah, it's a special number भी है 123. So the car is equipped with 18-inch tires and has a 255 profile, which are like good enough. I mean good enough नहीं, बहुत ही अच्छे हैं tires for off-roading and like taking it to any terrain. The best part about this vehicle is the road presence that it has to offer, because जब मैं इसको drive करके यहाँ पे लेके आया, each and every person on the road was just staring at it continuously, because you don't really see anything like this on the roads. So the cabin of this car has really a very upmarket feel, as you guys can see over here. The screen and all, I mean Mahindra has really upped their game. The AC vents, and so yeah, this is automatic, so it has park, reverse, neutral and drive. And also here are the modes for 2 high, 2 low, 2 high, 4 high. That is for 2-wheel drive high gear and 4-wheel drive high gear. And then we also have a 4 low option. But of course we are not off-roading this vehicle today, so let's keep this for some another day. And there's ample of space behind as well. All you have to do is just lean the seats forward and a person can hop in there. And since this is not a convertible top, I would not be able to show you guys how the top goes down, but yeah, it's a hard top and it's really wonderful. So yeah, let's go for a drive then. So yes, it's always an advantage for the vloggers to get to drive an automatic vehicle, because how that helps is that I can easily film with one hand while driving with the another. So initially, it's being a diesel, it's a very smooth vehicle. Like I really didn't expect these levels of refinement from Mahindra. But honestly guys, I mean the feel of this vehicle, you sit up high on the ground and you see that the mirrors, they are very big, but still they don't really block your view or anything like that. And it has JBL tweeters as well. And like the owner, just like I told you guys, is a very enthusiast kind of person, and he has done a lot of additional things to the vehicle, and more of them are coming on the way. So what I'll do is, once this vehicle is done modding completely, that's the time when I'll try and make another video with it. So let's now try to launch this vehicle from zero. And honestly guys, I mean driving this vehicle feels really great. I really didn't punch it hard to the floor, because we are not at some open roads. The roads are really small and there are vehicles coming over here, so I didn't really try to push it that way. But as you guys can see, I'm driving with one hand and it's really an effortless drive, and I don't even really feel the bumps all that much, this being a ladder on frame vehicle. It has such massive tires, and the suspensions are a little bit on the stiffer side, which is I believe it's for the off-road purpose. And as you guys can see, you really get a very good view of what's ahead of you from this vehicle. So well, honestly I'm really impressed by this vehicle. Like I thought ये बहुत बड़ी गाड़ी है, so इसको drive करने के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा efforts लगेंगे and things like that, but they have really nailed it with this vehicle. And I don't really find any downsides of this, because if you practically look at it, this is not your family car or like an average family car. This is something you buy if you're an enthusiast and you really want to go to some weekend off-road trips and things like that. And for that purpose, this car has really upped the game from the first gen Mahindra Thar. And it's altogether a very good experience. Someday I'll really try to get my hands on a manual transmission Thar as well. And even when we get a chance, I'll definitely try to take this one off-road and really try to test its capabilities. But as of now, as it seems, and I've seen some videos as well, this car is performing really well. And it has no competition in India as of now, unless Suzuki really tries and gets the Jimny over here. Again, even if it launches, it will be a petrol variant, so I don't know if it will have enough customers to really buy that vehicle. So yeah, let's now stop to the side and I'll give you my verdict about this amazing little vehicle. So yeah, put it in park just like that, easy peasy. So yeah, it does take a little bit getting used to, because it's high up on the ground, but it's not really that difficult, and I'm not that old to complain about those things. So there you have it guys, the Mahindra Thar. Of course, I initially thought that it is a little bit overpriced for what it is, because this car being a top model costs about 17 lakhs on road. But yeah, it really justifies its pricing, and it is an experience you would want to have. So yeah, again the verdict will be, this won't be, or this shouldn't be the only vehicle you will have. This is like having an extra vehicle in the garage for some weekends and occasional trips. That's what it's meant for, and it really does that job pretty well. So that's it from me, you guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel for more content, and much more better and bigger vehicles are coming on this channel, so definitely stay tuned for that. This is Asilton Perera signing off.